I want to take the opportunity, therefore, to condemn the statement by the CS, which reflects the level of ignorance in which that minister, who is only less than 3 months old in office, in which he lives. A CS who has the responsibility for security across this country and who knows that terrorism has been in Mandera, and this is not the first time. At least 5 times they have targeted the governor. They have targeted the offices of the county government. They have blown up the office of the district commissioner in town and destroyed dozens of vehicles. They have targeted so many other institutions. They have killed hundreds of people, including teachers, including businessmen. For the minister to suggest that what happened in Mandera was not a terrorist attack, was banditry. Banditry means some group of fellows who are on the highway, who attack vehicles, who steal cows, who do cattle rustling. I think for the minister to say that is the height of hypocrisy. And we are demanding that he apologizes for the statements he made immediately. If he does not, actually, then we are saying he has no business running that office. He is not fit for that office. And the fact that 3 months, less than 3 months in office, he can express that level of ignorance is an indication of the challenges that we are going to face. From the time he was appointed as a minister up to now, there has been 6 attacks in Mandera. There has been not less than 6 people who have been killed in Mandera. There are 4 people killed in Wajir by the terrorists. Not less than 10 people have died in the less than 2-3 months that this minister has been in office. He has not made an effort to visit either Mandera or Wajir to find out what's going on. And he has the guts to stand up and accuse the governor of exaggerating his importance. He is a CS. Yesterday he was in Malindi. He had a convoy of 20 vehicles of security guarding him. 20 security vehicles in Malindi, where there is no threat as much as there is in Mandera. The same CS who now says that security is not the governor is not important. Is he more important than a governor? Is he waiting for the governor to die? We have made up our minds. There is no one in the leadership of Mandera County, including our leaders on the ground, who will work with that county commissioner unless he's removed completely. We will not at all. And this is our position. And we're saying that if the government wants to go and ban that town, let them go and do it, because that's what they're doing. By their action, by their failure to address insecurity in Mandera County and to trivialize the terrorist attacks in that county as banditry, as cattle rustling, and to say the life of the governor is not in danger and that he was exaggerating, I think that is the height of hypocrisy. And we think the government has a plan, has a strategy, and we want to express our total disappointment, really, with this matter. 91 people have died in the last 7 months in terrorist attack. Not the president, nor the deputy, nor the CS has visited that area. Are the lives of those people not important? Are the people of Mandera not significant? Is that country not Kenya? Why are they not able to go and even visit and find out what is going on? So is the government waiting for Mandera to become like northeastern Nigeria? For those guys to take over like Boko Haram? What are they waiting for? They're waiting for incidents like the one of the bus, the one of the quarry again to happen? As leaders from Mandera County, we have said it before and we want to reiterate again that the government must immediately remove the county commissioner for Mandera. Immediately. Because we believe the county commissioner has failed completely in containing insecurity in that county. And that he is part of the problem why some of the security agencies in that county are unable to perform. This expression we are making is shared by Office of the President. It's shared to the extent that 2 weeks ago, and this is public information in the media, when the DC, the county commissioner, was transferred by the office of the CS. Shortly after the new commissioner arrived, the same CS again, his office, cancelled that transfer. We went to his office as leaders, as we are now, to find out why was the transfer of the county commissioner cancelled. He told us in his office, and everyone here was present, that he was out of the country in the US, that his peers was called by none other than His Excellency the President to cancel the transfer. And this is why a couple of days ago some of us raised that issue. What interest does the President have in the County Commissioner of Mandera?